Hello student, I am going to continue the chapter 5 fraction of class 6. In this part I am going to explain you about the equivalent fraction. For that I have taken one picture. You can see all the strips are of equal length and it is shaded half part, but see the division part. By the division part the fraction is coming different. First one is 1 by 2, second is 2 by 4, third is 3 by 6 and fourth is 4 by 8. So clearly the colored portion of these figures are equal. So we can say 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 4 equals to 3 by 6 equals to 4 by 8. So what do you mean by equivalent fraction then? Two or more fractions representing the same part of a whole are called equivalent fraction. Here you can see 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8 all are representing same thing, that is 1 by 2 means. Now rule: to get a fraction equivalent to a given fraction, we multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator of a given fraction by the same non-zero number. Means how you will find out the equivalent fraction? We have to divide or multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Then we can get the equivalent fraction. Here I have taken one question: write 4 fractions equivalent to 3 by 4. So here by multiplying it by same number in numerator and denominator you can get the equivalent fraction. In first part I have multiplied by 2, see here. In second multiplied by 3, then in third multiplied by 4, and in fourth I have multiplied by 5. So same thing we have multiplied in numerator and denominator. So 3 by 4 means, and we have multiplied 2 in both. So it will give you 6 by 8. Then next is 3 into 3, that will give you 9. Then next is 3 and 4 by 3 into 4, that will give you 12. And in the denominator 4 into 3, it will give you 12. Next also 12 by 16 you will get, then 15 by 20. So in this way you can write down the equivalent fraction. Next, one more question I have taken: write equivalent fraction of 20 by 36 with denominator 9. So here denominator should be 9, but 36 is there. So by dividing by 9, how much you will get? You will get 4. So we will divide numerator also by 4 like this. When you divide both numerator and denominator by 4, so you will get 5 by 9. Means our question is we should get denominator 9. So in this way you can get the denominator 9. See here 20 by 36. So 20 is and 36 both is divided by 4. So you will get 5 by 9. Now simplest form of fraction. How you can find out a simplest form of fraction? Actually the simplest form of fraction means the numerator and denominator. When you finding the HCF of both, you will get 1. Means highest common factor of numerator and denominator will be 1. Means there will be no common factor. So here we have to reduce 21 by 35 to the simplest form. So how you can form in simplest form? See here the common factor is 7. So we can find out 7 3 is a 21 and 7 5 is a 35. So 3 by 5 is the simplest form. So in this way you can find out the simplest form. See here numerator is 21 and denominator is 35. So common factor of 21 and 35 are 1 and 7. So we can divide 21 and 35 by 7. You will get 3 by 5. Hence the simplest form of 21 by 35 is 3 by 5. Now come to next, that is like and unlike fractions. Like fraction means the denominator should be equal. So here I have taken one example: 2 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 8 by 9. In all cases you can see that denominators are equal. So fractions having same denominator are called like fraction. And unlike fractions, fractions having different denominators are called unlike fraction. So now how you convert unlike fraction into like fraction? So for that we have to find the LCM of denominator. So here I have taken one question. Convert the fraction 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 5 by 6 and 4 by 9 into like fractions. So for that, first of all you have to find the LCM. So LCM of 2, 3, 6 and 9 is 18. So you can find out in this way also. You can write it and then you can find out by prime factorization method. You will get 18. So we convert given fraction into equivalent fraction. 1 by 2, multiply this 2 by 9, you will get 18 in the denominator. So 9 by 18 you will get. Next 2 by 3, so in 3 we will multiply 6, so that we will get 18. So same 6 we will have to multiply in numerator also, so 12 by 18 you will get. Next again here also we will multiply 3 in 6, so you will get 18, so 15 by 18 you will get. And in last term 9 into 2, that will give you 18, so 2 we will multiply in numerator also, you will get 8 by 18. So in this way you can convert unlike fraction into like fraction. So hence the required like fraction are 9 by 18, 12 by 18, 15 by 18 and 8 by 18. Now comparison of fraction. How you can compare like fraction? First, see here, it is very easy. Among two fractions with same denominator, the one with the greater numerator is the greater of the two. Means if the denominator are same, so numerator is more, means that fraction will be greater. Here 9 by 18 and 12 by 18, denominator are same, but 12 is more, so 12 by 18 is bigger than 9 by 18. Same case, here 11 denominator are same, so 9 is bigger than 6, so 9 by 11 is bigger fraction than 6 by 11. Now second rule is, among two fractions with the same numerator, the one with the smaller denominator is the greater of the two. If the numerator are same, in both cases you can see here 5 and 5 both are in numerator are there, numerator having 5 in both, so 5 by 10, 5 by 8. Rule is what? The denominator should be less, then the fraction will be bigger. So 5 by 8 is bigger than 5 by 10. Same case here, 3 by 5 is bigger than 3 by 11. Now comparison of unlike fraction. Method of cross multiplication. Here we have taken a by b and c by d, both are unlike fractions. So by cross multiplication method we can find out which one is more. So by cross multiplication, here I have taken a by b and c by d. So when you cross multiply, you will get AD and BC. So AD and BC, if AD is greater than BC, then A by B is greater than C by D. If AD is less than BC, then A by B is less than C by D, and if both are equal, then we can say A by B is equals to C by D. And next method is method of converting the given fraction into like fraction. Means we are going to change the given fraction into equivalent fraction with the denominator equal to the LCM of the denominators of the given fraction. Means we will have to find out the LCM of the denominators and we convert into equivalent fraction. Compare the fraction 5 by 6 and 8 by 9. So here LCM of 6 and 9 is 13. So now we convert each fraction, each one of fraction, that is 5 by 6 and 8 by 9, into an equivalent fractions having 18 as denominator. So 5 by 6, how much we will multiply? We will multiply 3 in 6. So we will get 18. So it will give you 15 by 18. And next 8 by 9, we will multiply 2 into 9, 2 in 9, then we will get 18. So 16 by 18. So now it is easy to compare 15 by 18 and 16 by 18. Which one is more? Obviously 16 by 18 is more. So in the last we will write 5 by 6 is less than 8 by 9. So thank you very much